two.
Sign is on.
No, here?
Yeah.
Here.
Sign is on.
Oh. These are the elevators at Barnes and Noble at Hillsdale Shopping Center at San Mateo, California. And we just missed the elevator. Well, it's only gonna be around a second before you get the next one, so it'll be okay. But I feel like a doorknob or a door knocker. You can hear the elevator come from outside. Honestly, I thought there was a lantern that lit up right when the doors closed. Here is the elevator. Oh, that's a two.
Yeah, see them? I'm going to the secret entrance right there.
Oh! Okay, yes. Okay, what's the secret entrance? Oh, and this elevator is noisy. There's a click tab here. Here we are at 2. And a 1. Going down? If I fall down the name right now.
Very good at like, I can look inside in my head.
Goes.